Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your Goodreads account private. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into Goodreads.com. Now, once you're in here, go to the top right and click on your profile. Just click on it and there will be a drop down. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to locate account settings, which is right here at the bottom. Just click on it and wait for it to load. Now, just click on accounts and notifications. Click on it. Now, once done, go ahead and scroll down until you find who can view my profile. All right. Now I'm going to zoom in. All right. As you can see here, who can view my profile. So just go ahead and select just my friends. Okay. And that way, only your Goodreads friends can see your profile. Now, this includes your profile data, bookshelves, profile comments, and your friends list. However, your first name and image thumbnail will still be visible in some areas of the site, okay? And other members will still be able to send you friend requests. Also, your book reviews will also still be available on each book page. Now, do keep in mind that author profiles cannot be made private. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.